Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. If you are just joining me for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and God bless you. And if you want to join our Telegram group, just use the link on the description. It is easy. Just click on the description and join the group. As you can see, a lot of people are joining already. As you can see. This is the Telegram group. So many things are happening over here. So many things are happening on the Telegram group. So many. So people are joining, as you can see. And the reason why I'm making this video is to show you something that somebody posted here. So many things has been posted here, but I just want to read one out of all that has been posted here. If you join the Telegram group, you will see so many things. You can ask so many questions. There are many people. Look at people are joining. Look at. So many people are here to answer your questions, and many people are also here to ask questions. So if you, okay, look at what this person, right? Okay, if you want to join, it's easy and simple. The link is on the description. So I want to read out what somebody said about COTP on this particular platform. So that is it. I don't know where the thing is, but I will figure it out very soon. So as you can see, a lot of people are joining the platform just to get information, because there are many people, different countries that are in the group so many people are in the group to ask and answer questions. So many countries. So as you can see, this is the group. So many things are going on. So I want to read out what somebody wrote. So many things are going on. So this guy wrote, "We all are in the same boat. People invested more than they should. They should with this company. Lots are relying on the coming back, but we just have to give them the 4 to 5 weeks stated. The funds are still sat in cold wallet. The site domain has been brought until 2028. So all these things are good signs. Do not listen to anybody who tells you to download an app or go to a different website. When COTP returns, it will be through cotps.com and nothing else. This is the domain they have purchased and the domain they will return on. Any news from COTP will come via their website once fully functional again. Just hang tight." It is just like a word of advice. But I think the guy is making mistake. Here, this place he wrote, the site domain has been brought until 2028. The domain was, ever since COTP was functioning, the domain expiring date is on 2028. So I cannot see any extension there, but he made a little mistake saying that it has been extended to 2028. So that is it. But the point I picked is this place that he said, do not listen to anybody who tells you to download an app or go to a different website. When COTP returns, it will be through cotp.com and nothing else. This is where I picked a point. He's trying to advise people not to visit any site, just to wait patiently to see when COTP will come back fully. Because going to a different website might hurt you later. They might steal your information, and when COTP returns, they can take your money. So please take it. Take this particular part as a word of advice. So don't listen to anybody. So if you want to join the Telegram group, there is link on the description where you can do that, so that you will be getting information even before I share it. There are a lot of information here which I cannot even share on on the YouTube platform. So you can join. If you join, you start receiving information by yourselves. Thank you very much and remain blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. God bless you.